In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all index markers at once in Microsoft Word. Index markers are useful when you're creating an index for a document, but there may be times when you need to remove all of them, especially when revising or updating your document. If you have a long document with many index markers, deleting them individually can take a lot of time. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides a quick way to remove all of them at once. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the index markers. Next, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. This tool allows you to search for specific elements in your document and replace or remove them efficiently. Once the Find and Replace window is open, click the More button to expand the available options. This will display additional search features that you can use to locate specific elements in your document. Now, make sure your cursor is in the Find What field. At the bottom of the window, click Special to view the different types of items that Word can search for. From the list, choose Index Entry. This tells Word that you want to search for index markers throughout the document. After selecting Index Entry, you'll see a special code appear in the Find What field. It will appear as a caret symbol followed by the letters D, X, and E. This code represents index entries in Word's field coding system. Next, leave the Replace With field completely blank. This is important because the goal is to delete the index markers rather than replace them with something else. Once the Find What and Replace With fields are set correctly, click Replace All. Word will now search through the entire document and automatically remove every index marker it finds. You don't need to delete each marker individually, which can save a significant amount of time when working with a long or complex document. After the process is complete, a dialog box will appear, showing the number of replacements that were made. This confirms how many index markers Word removed from the document. Click OK to close the confirmation message, then review your document to make sure the index markers have been removed. Your main document content should remain intact, with only the index markers removed. If you decide to create a new index later, you can add index markers again as needed using the References tab. And that's how you can quickly delete all index markers at once in Microsoft Word, using the Find and Replace feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,